Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2013 Bob400. These are a Korean-made hammer. A friend of mine who's been importing these over, and I bought some off of him, and they're doing very well. He's got a little over 200 of them in the field. Parts readily available. Very nice hammer. Would be comparable to like a Bobcat B850 or a HB 880 style hammer. Mold point on it's very good. There's no oil leaks, good hoses. It come in with a 2012 Bobcat S250 I have. Very good hammer and is ready to work. We're going to walk you around here real quick. Zinc plating still on everything. You can see here bits in nice shape. 2013 Bob400, that's your serial number. We can get you anything you want parts wise for them. They're a very simple hammer. Frame's in nice shape. You can tell here it has not done a lot of work because it's not all beaten and scored up. We're going to fire this machine up we have it hooked to, and we are going to hammer with it here for the ground so you can see that it works. See it from the video there, this hammer works excellent. We guarantee it to be a good hammer. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark's Supply Company. And again, we can always be reached at 814-658-3066. Thank you very much, and as always, have a great day.